Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to clear cache on your Mac. All right, let's begin. First, open Finder on your Mac. Once Finder is open, move to the top menu bar and click on Go. From the drop-down menu, select Go to Folder. A small search window will appear where you can enter the cache folder location. Now, type the following path and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the cache folder on your Mac, where temporary files from apps and system processes are stored. Over time, these cache files can build up and slow down your Mac's performance. Once inside the folder, go to the top left corner of the screen, click Edit, and then choose Select All to highlight every cache file and folder. After selecting everything, click File in the top menu and choose Move to Bin. This will send all selected cache files to the trash. Next, open the bin or trash on your Mac and click Empty to permanently remove the files. Confirm the action if prompted. So that's basically how you can clear cache on your Mac. That's it for this video. Thanks.